good afternoon. Today we are going to make a Korean straight toast. Yes, narinig niyo po ang sinabi ko, it is a Korean straight toast. Well, I've been craving for this for a while guys, but I haven't got the time to make the toast. But now, I'm ready to do it. Yes! My God. Well, actually guys, me and Michael is starving at the moment. But we don't want to eat rice because we've been eating rice for this past few days na. And then it's not really good with my tummy. So I decided to make a Korean straight toast. Well, this type of food guys is very easy to make because you can have it for lunch or even as snacks or even for breakfast. This recipe guys is very good when you have kids as well na sobrang maarte or masilan pagdating sa pagkain. Kasi yung gagawin po natin na sandwich or toastie ay nagkakaroon siya ng iba't ibang flavor na patok talaga para sa mga anak. So now let's proceed na sa ating mga ingredients. We need 4 slices of white bread. Make sure that the bread that you are going to use is the extra thick one. 1/2 cup of finely shredded cabbage, 1/2 cup of finely shredded carrot, 1/4 cup of shredded onion, 1/4 cup of spring onions, slice it diagonally. We need 2 eggs. We need some honey roast ham or any types of ham will do, or you can opt out to use the spam. We have here some sugar. We need some American cheese. We need some butter. We need some tomato ketchup. We need some mayonnaise, ground black pepper, yellow mustard, and tablespoon. And now it's time to combine the ingredients. We need to put the finely shredded cabbage first, and then our carrots, the onion, and our spring onions. Next is our 2 eggs. I think I'm gonna add another egg because our egg is very small. If you buy the large egg guys, I think 2 will be enough, but with this one I only have a very small egg, so I added another egg. And then we're gonna add 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and then 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Combine them together. After po na makombine natin ang lahat ng ating mga ingredients ay ito na po ang kanyang itsura. Ang susunod naman guys na ating gagawin ay lulutuin po muna natin itong ating mga ingredients na pinaghalo-halo. So dito tayo again, lilipat tayo. So in here, nagpainit lang po ako nitong aming frying pan. So ang frying pan po na ginamit ko ay ayan siya. Oh, sobrang nipis niya guys. Para talaga siya sa pang prito. So dito, I'm gonna grab the butter kasi yan yung gagamitin po natin. Pero hihinaan lang natin siya guys kasi ayaw natin na masunog yung butter. So dito, ay kayo na po bahala kung gaano kalaki na butter yung kakailanganin nyo. Pagdating naman sa butter guys ay gusto ko na medyo marami ng konti. Wala lang, ayan lang siya, ganyan. Yan yung gagamitin natin sa pag-fried ng ating combined ingredients. Pag naglagay kayo nitong guys, ingredients, dapat ikalat-kalat nyo siya. Then try to make it square one. Pero dito kasi sa ating lutuan, malabo siyang maging square guys. Medyo luto na po siya guys. So ang gagawin po natin ay hahatiin po natin siya in the middle. Ayan, medyo luto na siya guys. Ang gagawin natin ay tiklopin na natin tong gilid para siyang square tingnan. Kasi right now, our egg mixture looks like a bilog. So, ganyan lang natin siya. Just like that. Tapos, after nyan, ay babalik na rin po natin siya. Ating that one is cooked na. Lalagay lang natin siya dito sa ating plato. Ang next natin gagawin guys ay lalagyan lang po natin ng butter yung ating bread. Pag maraming butter, mas masarap. Sa paglagay ng butter guys, dapat ay back to back po siya. Ang gagawin lang natin guys is yung natira na butter dito sa ating frying pan ay pwede natin siyang gamitin ulit. Pero kung gusto nyong dagdagan ng butter ay pwede lang din. So dito, dadagdagan ko siya kasi gusto ko po na maraming butter para masarap po yung ating Korean toastie. Now, what we're going to do is just put the bread na merong butter po. Tapos dapat maging brown po siya guys. Tapos i-flip over natin yan mamaya konti. Ganito po yung itsura ng ating toast guys pagkatapos natin siya na i-fry up. Dapat po yung ating toast ay medyo brown lang siya at hindi po sunog. So ang susunod natin gagawin ay mag-assemble na po tayo ng ating Korean straight toastie. So kailangan ko lang dito guys ng tadtaran din yung ating dalawang bread. Dito sa ating bread ay dito na po natin ilalagay yung ating sugar. Yes, sa Korean toastie po, meron po silang sugar na nilalagay. Ayan. So, we're gonna add now the American cheese. Next ay maglalagay po ako ng ham. Then, I'm gonna add a little bit of sugar in here, guys. Tapos, yung ating egg and vegetable mixture. Ayan. Diyan naman ay maglalagay ulit tayo ng maraming sugar na dito. And again, I'm gonna add another ham ulit po. Tapos guys, ay mag-add po ulit tayo ng another cheese. Tapos another layer of sugar again. After nyan guys, ay maglalagay po tayo ng mayo. Tapos mag-add po tayo ng ketchup. The ketchup is not very friendly. My God. Ang susunod nating lalagay guys is yung mustard. Ang susunod po natin gagawin guys ay ipa-fry up po natin ulit yung ating Korean straight toastie. Bale, ito na po yung pinaka-last natin na fry up. So, ayan siya. Tapos, baliktarin po natin siya. Ayan na yung ating Korean toastie guys. Ngayon ay hahatiin natin siya sa gitna. Para makita nyo kung ano talaga ang itsura niya after niya maluto lahat-lahat. So, open the legs. Charing. That's the Korean toastie. It's nice, isn't it? Very cheesy. So guys, the finished product of our Korean straight toastie is done. Now, it's time for me to eat the toast. My God, look at that. Sobrang cheesy niya.
Ang tawag dito?
Korean straight toastie. Sarap.
Nagpasarap dito yung keso. Yung keso. Ano meron siya?
Bakit?
Ang dami.
Sarap. My God. Pwede ka na hindi kumain ito, daddy, ah.